binomial theorem exercise 6b. So one more time we will discuss the expansions. So binomial theorem for negative integral integers. So 1 plus x whole power minus n, 1 minus nx plus n of n plus 1 of by 2 factorial x square plus n plus 1 minus n plus 1 n plus 2 by 3 factorial x cube plus up to so on. So alternative plus minus will come. So here it is positive, here it is negative. We are getting alternative plus minus. One positive, one negative, alternative plus minus. So here both are negative. So we are getting same terms, but all are positive. So this is the negative integral index. Next, rational index. Rational is nothing but p by q. So there exists p plus p by q or minus p by q. But we need to take a standard. Standard is nothing but 1 plus x. So 1 plus x p by whole power p by q. So both are positive, all terms will getting positive. Both are negative, all terms will getting positive. One positive, one negative, alternative plus minus. So here these are both are positive, both are negative, all the terms are positive. 1 plus plus plus. So in between plus. Okay. So both are alternative plus to minus. Plus minus minus plus 1 plus. This is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus like this. Next, so the power is positive, the terms will be decreased. So p minus q, p minus q, p minus 2q, p minus q, p minus q, p minus 2q. If the power is negative, the terms will be increased. p plus q, p plus 2q like that. Okay, now we will try to find some terms. Third question. First bit, third question. Exercise 6b. Write down the first three terms. Write down the first three terms. First three terms in the expansion of. Write down the first three terms in the expansion of. First one, 3 plus 5x whole power minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. 3 plus 5x whole power minus 7 by 3. So this is not the standard. Here we need 1. So 3 comma 1, 3 power minus 7 by 3 whole power 1 plus 5x by 3 whole power minus 7 by 3. So I want to compare, before writing the terms I want to compare. P equal to 7, Q equal to 3, x equal to 5x by 3, x by q equal to 5x by 3 into 3, 9. Now, so this is 1 plus x whole power minus 7 by 3 minus p by q. 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. This is the formula. So first term, what is the first term? 1. So p1 1 into all terms which contain 3 power minus 7 by 3. T2 second term minus 3 power minus 7 by 3 into p into x by q. What is p? 7 into x by q 5x by. Next T3 first three terms. Third term is positive. So plus 3 power minus 7 by 3. All terms which contain 3 power minus 7 by 3. P into p plus q. P. What is p? 7 into 7 plus 3 10 by 2 factorial 5x by 9 x by q whole power 2. So these are the first three terms. Okay, next second question. So this for this also first three terms. 1 plus 4x whole power minus 4. 1 plus 4x whole power minus 4. Here it is already 1, no need to convert. So I want to write n value 4, x value 4x. So 1 plus x whole power minus this formula. So T1, first term 1 itself. T2, second term minus n 4 into x 4x. So minus 15x. T3 plus n, n equal to 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2 factorial into x square 4x whole square, 2 factorial 2 into 2, 2 into 5 10 into 16x square equal to 160 x square. So these are the first three terms. Next, third one. Third question is 8 minus 5x whole power 8 minus 5x whole power 2 by 3. 8 minus 5x whole power 2 by 3. Okay. So 8 is common. 8 power 2 by 3 of 1 minus 5x by 8 whole power 2 by 3. So this I will write 8 as 2 cube whole power 2 by 3. 1 minus 5x by 8 whole power 2 by 3. 3 cancel, 2 square equal to 4 of 1 minus 5x by 8 whole power 2 by 3. What is the formula? Formula is 1 minus x whole power p by q. This is the formula. First term is 1, but before it is 4, 4 into 1 equal to 4. Second term 4 into, so this one 1 minus x. So alternate plus minus p. P equal to what? So p equal to 2, q equal to 3. So x by q equal to 5x by 24. So p equal to 2 by 2 into x, 5x by 8 into 3 24. Next p3 minus 4 into, not minus 4 plus 4, because third term is positive. So p into p minus q by 2 factorial. P 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 factorial 5x by 24 whole square. So these are the first three terms. Next, fourth question. Fourth question is 2 minus 7x whole power minus 3 by 4. 2 minus 7x whole power minus 3 by 4. Whole power minus 3 by 4. Okay, 2 common. If you are taking 2 common, 2 power minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 7x whole power minus 3 by 4. So 1 minus x whole power minus 3 by 2, all terms will be getting positive. So p equal to 3 power numerator, denominator q equal to 4. Next x equal to 7x, x by q equal to 7x by 4 denominator. Now t1. So first term is always 1, but here it is 2 power minus 3 by 4. 2 power minus 3 by 4. t2 second term. What is the second term? p into x by q. P first 2 power minus 3 by 4 as it is. P 3 into x by 4, 7x by 4. t3 2 power minus 3 by 4 as it is. Next ladder p3 equal to p into p plus q by 2 factorial. P 3 into 3 plus 4 7 by 2 factorial 7x by 4 whole square. So this is the required solution. These are the first three terms. So similar problem in example 3. So write the first three terms. Write the first three terms. First three terms in the expansion of. First one 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5. 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 5. For this expansion we need to write. So n equal to 5. Capital X equal to x by 2 simply. So 1 plus x whole power minus n, this formula. t1 first one itself 1. t2 second term minus nx minus 5 into x is nothing but x by 2 minus 5x by 2 T3 equal to plus 5 of n plus 1 6 by 2 factorial 2 into x by 2 whole square. 2 into 1 2 into 3 into 5 15 x square by 2 square. So, next second one is 3 plus 4x whole power minus 2 by 3. 3 plus 4x whole power minus 2 by 3. Whole power minus 2 by 3 plus 4x whole power minus 2 by 3. Okay. So first 3 comma 3 power minus 2 by 3. 1 plus 4x by 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. 1 plus 4x by 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. So p equal to q equal to 3, x equal to 4x by 3, x by q equal to 4x by 9. X by q equal to 4x by 9. So this is 1 plus x whole power p minus p by q. This is the formula. So solution. First term 3 power minus 2 by 3 is common for all. So into 1. Next second term minus t2 minus so p into x by q. P equal to what? 2 into x by q 4x by 9 t3 plus actually we missed 3 power minus 2 by 3 3 power minus 2 by 3 into p into p minus q p into p plus q actually p into 2 into 2 plus 3 5 by 2 factorial into 4x by 9 whole square. This is the solution. Okay, next third one. And this third one. Third question, example 3. Third one. 4 minus 5x whole power minus 1 by 2 implies 4 comma 4 power minus 1 by 2 1 minus 5x by 2 5x by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 4 equal to square whole power minus 1 by 2 1 minus 5x by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. So 2 cancel implies 2 power minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 of 1 minus 5x by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay. So every term which containing 1 by 2 I want to write p equal to 1 q equal to 2 x equal to 5x by 4 x by q equal to 5x by 4 into 2 x. Now P1 first term. So first term actually formula 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. This one all are positive. First term 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Second term 1 by 2 into p into x by q. P 1 into x by q 5x by 8 5x by 16 P3 1 by 2 into p into p plus q by 2 factorial p 1 into 1 plus 2 3 by 2 factorial into 5x by 16 whole 5x by not 16 5x by 8 whole square. I don't want to simplify, simply I want to do like this. Okay, next example 4. Example 4. Write the general term of the expansion. Write the general term of the expansion. Write the general term of the expansion of first one 3 plus x by 2 whole power minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. We need general term. So plus 1 term is called general term. We need r plus 1 term. So first 3 comma 3 power minus 2 by 3 1 plus x by 6 whole power minus 2 by 3. So I want to write p equal to 2, q equal to 3, x equal to x by 6, x by q equal to 3 into 6 18, x by 18. So t r plus 1 equal to. So one thing we need to remember, this is plus, this is minus. 1 plus 1 minus, alternative plus minus we will get. So we don't know r plus 1 term is positive or negative, depends upon r. So if first term is positive, second negative. So second means x power 1, x square third, x cube fourth. So based on this power we are getting positive or negative. Minus 1 whole power. So the power should be minus 1 power r. And numerator which containing r terms. So the power is negative, the terms will be increased. First 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8 plus up to so on r terms. Up to so on r terms by r factorial into x by q, x by 18 whole power r. This is the solution. Numerator r terms, denominator r factorial, x by q whole power r. So this is the solution. Okay, next second question is 2 plus 3x by 4. 2 plus 3x by 4 whole power 4 by 5. Whole power 4 by 5. So 2 power 4 by 5 of 1 plus 3x by 2 common divided by 8. Divide by 2, 4 into 2, 8. 4 by 5. So x p equal to 4, q equal to 5. X equal to 3x by 8. X by q equal to 5 into 8, 40. 3x by 40. Now t r plus 1, this is the general term. T r plus 1 which is equal to, so 1 plus x whole power p by q. So actually here we missed 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power minus 2 by 3. Okay. So first I want to write 2 power 4 by 5. 2 power 4 by 5. Okay. Now whether all terms are positive, 1 plus x whole power p by q. So all terms are positive, but terms will be decreased. Okay. First 4 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 up to r terms by r factorial into 3x by 40 whole power r. So this is the required solution. Next third one is 1 minus 4x whole power minus 3. 1 minus 4x whole power minus 3. 1 minus 4x whole power minus 3. Okay, so this is already it is the standard. So n equal to v, x equal to 4x. To avoid confusion here already small x I am taking capital X. Okay, so x equal to 4x. Now 1 plus x whole power minus n formula. 1 plus x whole power minus n. 1 minus x whole power minus n, this formula. All are positive. So t r plus 1 equal to 1 plus nx plus this one. Okay, so this is the first term, this is the second term, third term, numerator 2 terms, denominator 2 factorial x square. Like this. So we are taking r plus 1 term. R plus 1 term means the numerator r terms. So 3, 4, n plus 1, n plus 2, 6 up to r terms by r factorial into 4x whole power r. So this is the solution. Next, fourth one is 2 minus 3x whole power minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 3x whole power minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 3x whole power minus 1 by 3. So 2 common. If we are taking 2 common, 2 power minus 1 by 3. 1 minus Vh by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. So P equal to 1, Q equal to 3, X equal to 3x by 2, X by Q equal to 3x by 2 into 3, 3 cancel, x by 2. So this we got. Now TR plus 1 equal to this minus both minus, all terms will be positive. So 2 power minus 1 by 3 I am taking. This is for all terms. Okay, 1 minus x whole power minus p by 2. This is the formula. 1 plus this one. So terms will be increased. So first p 1, 3, 5 up to so on r terms by r factorial x by 2 whole power. So this is the required solution. And okay, similar problem in exercise. Question number 4. Find the general term. First bit, fourth question. Find the general term. What is the general term? R plus 1 term. In the expansion of first one 4 plus 5x whole power minus 3 by 2. First one 4 plus 5x whole power minus 3 by 2. 4 plus 5x whole power minus 3 by 2. Okay, 4 common. If we take 4 common, 4 power minus 3 by 2. 1 plus 5x by 4 whole power minus 3 by 2. 4 2 square 4 power minus 3 by 2. 1 plus 5x by 4 whole power minus 3 by 2. So 2 cancel, 2 power minus 3. 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 8 half, 1 plus 5x by 4 whole power minus 3 by. Now P equal to 3, Q equal to 2, X equal to 5x by 4, X by Q equal to 5x by 2 into 4, 8. X by Q equal to 5x by 8. Okay, now 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. This is the formula. So we need r plus 1 term. R plus 1 term is nothing but minus 1 power r, because plus and minus. Plus and minus, we are getting alternative plus and minus. Okay, power is negative, terms will be increased. First 3 plus 2 5, 7 up to so on r terms by r factorial 5x by 8 whole power r. So this is the solution. Next, second one is 1 minus 5x by 3, 1 minus 5x by 3 whole power minus 3. 1 minus 5x by 3 whole power minus 3. 1 minus 5x by 3 whole power minus 3. So n equal to 3, x equal to 5x by 3. So the formula is 1 minus x whole power minus 3. All terms are positive. So T r plus 1 equal to. So first n 3, n plus 1 4, 5, 6 up to so on r terms by r factorial 5x by 3 whole power. Next, third one is 1 plus 4x by 5 whole power 5 by 2. 1 plus 4x by 5 whole power 5 by 3 whole power 5 by 3. 1 plus 4x by 5 whole power 5 by 2. Now, so this is also your standard form. P equal to 5, Q equal to 2, x equal to 4x by 5, x by q equal to 4 by 2, 2x by 4. Now p r plus 1. Both are positive, all terms are positive. No need of minus 1 power r. Next, so power is positive, terms will be decreasing. 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 1, up to 1 odd terms by r factorial into 2x by 5 whole power r. This is the solution. Next, fourth question is 3 minus 5x by 4, 3 minus 5x by 4 whole power minus 1 by 2, whole power minus 1 by 2. 3 common, 3 power minus 1 by 2 or 1 minus 5x by 12 whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay, now p equal to 1, q equal to 2, x equal to 5x by 12, x by q. So it won't be keeping the answer 2 into 12, 24. 5x by 24. P r plus 1. So here it is minus, it is minus. Both are minus. So all terms are getting positive. So 3 power minus 1 by 2 is common for each and every term. So power minus terms will be increasing. First 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, up to so on, r terms by r factorial 5x by 24 whole power r. So this is the required solution.